Hello and welcome to RAMM in Exeter and week 4 of our RAMM at Home Creative Challenge. This week's art challenge is again inspired by our wonderful giraffe Gerald, but this time we want to see if you can make him move. If this is the first time that you've joined RAMM at Home and you would like to have a look at some of our other challenges, then please have a look at our website for more details. So let's get started. How to make a glove puppet. For this you will need a vinyl glove. Place it on a piece of paper and draw around it just roughly. Then you need to cut it out, but make it a lot smaller than the actual glove. You then need to follow the instructions for drawing your giraffe from week 1 challenge. For your drawing you just need an outline of your giraffe. You will colour it in later. You then need to put your drawing inside the vinyl glove. You might need a little bit of help because this can be quite tricky. Trace your drawing of Gerald onto the glove and then colour it in as before. All you need to do now is to put on your glove and you're ready to go. Get someone to film your Gerald doing a dance. How to make a flick book. Flick books are a really good way to show how film and animation works. The photographer Mybridge took some early photographs to show how animals moved. I love the elephant in this page. Another of my favourites is the elk trotting. These two flick books feature some of his images. First of all, you need to find a little book. I quite like this one here. For this flip book, I'm going to try something that's a little bit more complicated. So I've drawn out a series of moves for Gerald to do in a moon dance. So this is my first drawing, and then I've numbered the other parts of the sequence so I know which order they go in, and I've got up to number 9, and then the sequence and the dance will go back to number 2, so I can make quite a long series. So I'm going to start by placing my number 1 drawing at the back of the book, quite near the edge. I want his face to be on. This paper is really good because you can see through it. So this is the number 2 drawing, so it's in the same place as the first one, but his legs are just starting to move. I think this is going to take me quite a long time. I had a look at a video online that showed you how to do a moon dance and what the different moves were. So this is what I've used to think about while I've done my drawings. Right, so I've just drawn all of the number 1 to 9 drawings, and let's have a look at what they look like. So you can see that Gerald's travelling along, going backwards. His legs are moving. So I'll just carry on and do another couple of times so that you'll be able to see the whole sequence, and by that stage he might have moved right across the pad. I've got all the way over to the spine of the book now, and I'm going to do my last drawing. So this is my last one, and then I'll show you what it looks like. If you wanted to, you could add some colour or just leave it like a black and white drawing. We would love to see some examples of how you have made Gerald move. So if you get a chance, send them to us at #RAMM@home or email to the address on screen now. And finally, this week's creative challenge is dedicated to all the wonderful staff and creative young members of Pelican Project. A big shout out to you all, and hope that you all are well.